How to see videos you disliked on YouTube. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can view all of the videos that you disliked on YouTube. Firstly, open settings on your device. In settings, scroll down and tap on the option General. Inside General, go to Software Update and check for any software update that may be available. Now go back to your home page and open YouTube. On YouTube, make sure you are logged in to your account. Now just to show you guys, as you can see here, I have disliked this video. This not only works for shorts but also works for long videos. To check, go to View section from the bottom panel. Now here at the top right corner, tap on the setting gear icon. After that, tap on Manage All History. Here at the top right corner, click on Interactions. Select the option Videos Likes and Dislikes. Now here you will be able to see all the videos that you liked and disliked. You can also remove videos that you want to remove from this list. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.